Today, we're making a smoky grilled meat sandwich with flatbread, a homestyle taking on a classic Chinese 肉夹馍. First, slice 2 ribeye steaks thinly so they can cook quickly. Put the meat in a bowl and season it with salt, a bit of MSG, onion powder, meat tenderizer, black pepper, and a little oil. Add a splash of cooking wine to remove any strong smell. Mix everything well. Next, cut an onion into strips. Chop some cilantro and green onions into short pieces. Use the original biscuit from the supermarket. Flatten it and cook in a pan. Flip it, then press both sides with a spatula. Even though raw dough comes out from the edges, it is done. Now, heat a cast iron pan. Grab a piece of beef fat on the surface to coat it with the oil. Add the marinated meat and stir fry until cooked and slightly crispy. Add the chili flakes, whole cumin, ground cumin, a little sugar, and more salt. Stir well and add onion and green onion. Cook briefly until soft. Add the cilantro on top so it is easy to escape if someone doesn't want it. Turn off the heat. At the table, you can use a small stove to keep things warm or grill lightly. To serve, cut open the cooked bread without slicing it all the way through. Add the grilled meat. If you like raw herbs, use the ones on top. If you prefer them cooked, grill them first and then add. Enjoy your smoky homestyle 肉夹馍